How are you guys going in there? Come on. Come on. No. I thought we were friends. Come here. You're a bit friendlier, but not you. I've noticed that you're being a bit nicer to everyone today, which is good. I think it's just that initial new people coming into your territory. And you're nice too, you haven't been picking on anyone, but that's alright. It's funny these guys haven't paired up yet. I know a lot of you guys have been asking. Don't think he's old enough yet. He hasn't sort of got interested in hens. But he's pretty curious on these little chicks anyway. Hey. Come on. Come on. Mr. Beast. Snow. Come on, eggs as such. I'm hoping we get another blue bar pied out of this one. Maybe a grizzle, but I wouldn't mind another pure white. That would be pretty good. Maybe a pure white and a blue bar pied. Fingers crossed. Leo and Storm. Make sure you eat that food because she will be laying her second egg tomorrow, probably early afternoon, so we will touch back then and see how they're going. You're pretty hungry, aren't you, big fella? And then you guys are travelling along quite well. You've been very funny since you've been a mother. You too. It's alright. Good fella. Hey, come here. You need to stop stirring up the pigeons, alright? That's why this little fence is here. Let's see if we can get you guys to eat. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is all new to you, but you'll soon pick it up. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. I'll just leave that food in there for you then. Hopefully you eat it. But you've been using the perches a lot, so that's pretty good. I've seen you right up the top there, so I'm impressed that you can fly that high. And it's not going to be long before maybe next week we'll start trap training you two. And then we can probably start getting you out the week after that, so it's pretty exciting. Hopefully you can teach them how this place all works. Anyway, I'm going to catch you guys later. This was just a little bit of a quick update on these little guys, just to let you know that they are settling in quite well and things are going sweet.